In front of me is the 2022 Royal Enfield Classic 350 Signals model in Marsh Gray. The classic models feature a 349cc motor with 20 horsepower, 41mm front forks, twin adjustable rear shocks, bi-bree brakes by Brembo. The Signals bikes are a commemoration of Royal Enfield working with the armed forces. The design dates to the classic Pegasus 500, which was produced in 2018. The inspiration for these bikes was from the Flying Flea, which was a lightweight 125cc motorcycle that was used in gliders and could be parachuted in for the British forces in World War II and served in both D-Day and Market Garden. Signals models feature stylized military graphics with sequential tank numbers. They're not proper emblems of the British or Indian military because they can't use actual emblems of the military itself, but they are stylized and it's pretty nice. So if you're looking for your first bike or just a smaller bike that gets great gas mileage and you just want to run around town, then one of these Royal Enfield's Classics would be right for you. You can give us a call at 860-741-5115, or you can go online to marksmotorsports.com and you can see this bike and all the other bikes we have in stock today.